Hey guys, welcome to Technical Jyoti. In today's video, we're going to look how to create a lifecycle project area. So let's get started. So first you need to log into JTS application. So just type JTS/admin and go to this setting icons. Click on Create Lifecycle Project. Let's name it as we should name it like Demo Lifecycle Project. So before creating this project area, let's understand what is lifecycle project, right? So typically when the teams use multiple tools, there is no proper traceability to track the artifacts end to end in the project lifecycle. The concept of lifecycle project in IBM Rational CLM or ELM helps to connect the entire team to one single platform. So by creating a lifecycle project, you can link business requirement to UML design, artifacts, and then to work items to development tasks and test cases. All these are done dynamically. Using Lifecycle project will help to see the projects created in each of the three containers, that is requirement management, change and configuration management, and quality management. And also link so that the traceability view can be easily created. So let's get created this project area. Now what I will do, I'm going to use this template, quality professional, analyst and developer. And artifact containers, I'm going to use DNG, that's requirement management. This name will be like this demo lifecycle project area. So automatically the requirement management project area will get created, quality management, and the CCM application will get created with this specific name, right? So I'm using by default process template for lifecycle project, that is SAFE, right? So now just click on save. It will take some time and it will create the lifecycle project area. Wait for some time, it will get created. It will take a little bit time. So let's understand the next thing. Till then it will get created. So how to link requirements to user story and test cases. So to link a requirement to the user story which defines the functionality to be implemented from a development perspective. So what we need to do, select the requirement and click on add link to the artifact. Select the link type as implemented by and the artifact contains as CLM project change management to create a new story by adding the summary and other respective attributes and then click OK. Similarly, the procedure to link a requirement to the test cases will be defined in IBM Quality Management. Hence, select the requirement and click on Add Link to the artifact more. Then we need to select the link type as validated by an artifact contains as CLM project quality management to create a new test cases and give a name and click on more one star, right? So in this we have to create a link. So what we understood, when we have to link it with the requirement, then we're going to use implemented by link type. And when we have to use the quality management, right, when we want to link it with the quality management, we're going to use validated by link type, right? So from this you can see all the three project area got created: change in management, quality management, and this life cycle requirement. Just go down and you can see here all this implement requests, all this got link also. Automatically they created and got linked. We don't have to do it the things manually, right? So we're going to check, see how we can link it, as we just I just explain you how to link the requirements, like requirements and work item or test cases. So first of all, what we will going to do it from the work item, we're going to link one requirement and one test case. So what I'm going to do it here, I will create one requirement. Or we can use the existing artifacts also. I will create one simple artifact, this one. Click on OK. This artifact got created, that means our requirement got created. Click on done, right? I need one more test case also. Go to the explore project. I'm in the QM application, right? Click on explore project, and from here we're going to create one test case. From construction, it is taking time, let's wait. Till then we can create one of the work item also. Click on explore project, it's the same application. Click on let's we'll create tasks instead of all this option, all this all work item type. Task as create lifecycle project. Then click on save. It is still loading the quality management. Here we are going to create one test case. So here you can see, right, I don't have any access, so I need to give permission to myself. Go to manage this project area, go to permission, select as everyone, and go below. I want test case, right? Come here, I need all the permission here. Click on, I have granted the permission, and click on save. Now refresh this page. Now you got the option to create the test case. So life cycle project test case. Now click on save. Similarly, requirement instead of test, we'll rename it to something else like lifecycle requirement. Lifecycle project requirement. Now click on save and then click on done. So now we have requirement, one test case, and one work item, that is one task. So we're going to relink this requirement, this work item with requirement. Which link type we need to use? Implements requirement. From which project area? The same project area, that is demo lifecycle project area, linking to existing requirement, right? Click on OK. Okay, this lifecycle project we have created this requirement. Click on OK. It got link, right? Click on save. Now we need to link with the quality management. So which link type we need to use it? That is validated by. Add test cases. We're going to use this link type. Add tested by test case. Click on OK. Now click on save. If you want to link a requirement to test case, then you need to use validated by link type, right? And if you want to link from CCM, then you're going to use the link type as tested by test case. So we're going to do one thing. From requirement, we're going to add one test case which is validated by, we need to create one, right? New, or we can use the existing one also, but we will going to create new demo test case. Now click on OK. See here, if you open, automatically you are going to navigate it to test case. Now we have checked how to link it from requirement to test case, right? Even we have linked from work item, like from CCM application, we linked to requirement and test case also. And from requirement we linked it test case. Now we're going to link CCM one work item also from here as well. Click on more, click on implemented by. We're going to create new, as already implemented by is available, right? So we're going to create new CCM task. Click on OK. This attribute is mandatory to set, so we need to set it. Now click on OK. So automatically this task also got created. You can, when you can navigate to this CCM from here. Go inside this links. You will get the same time. Now we're going to check it from quality management. This test case. How we can link it with requirement or work items. So if you want to link it requirements, and you need to click on this requirement links, and from here you can link one of the requirement. So I'm going to link any of the requirement here. Click on save. So we have already linked requirement. Now we want to link it with development items. That is nothing but CCM application. So as I'm going to link this CCM task. Click on save. So we are done, right? We have what we have saw, how to link in CCM application, how to link with requirements and test case. So from CCM application we link it with requirement and test case, and afterwards from in RQM we linked it with CCM application as well as with some requirements, and in requirement also we link some test case and CCM application, that is task. So I hope you guys understood how to link, how to perform this linking of this traceability between different application, right? From CCM application to CCM application to requirement, requirement to test management, or or vice versa. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.